Welcome to Study Loop.
Some topics are most likely to be included in a survey or statistical study than others. Unanswered bias occurs when some topics do not answer the survey questions. Its reaction is different than the person doing it. Bias or interviewers take place when the subject gives an answer that is different from what he really believes. Occurs when the volunteer are used because they may be more interested in researching. Answer that question and participate in a different way than random selected topics. Talk to people in the street. 1. Call 2. Call people by phone. 3. Ask friends. Wrong way to get sample. These some top. So that is three kinds of incorrect way of obtaining a sample.